If you ever accidentally commit a secret to GitHub, this open source tool will scan your entire repository and report back. You can even set it to catch your commit before you push to GitHub, because once it reaches GitHub, it gets complicated. I have a dummy Git repository, it's already committed to GitHub. This is how you detect secrets. And it discovered one security leak which I need to fix. I accidentally committed Stripe API key. Sometimes you will get false positives and you want to remove it from GitLeaks check. So you will create a GitLeaks toml file in the root of your Git repository and document allowed files in allow list, and also you can add commits, and commit SHA should be here. And the false positive commit SHA should be added in this configuration. So once I run GitLeaks again, it found no leaks, but that's a lie. So let's comment it for now. Your problematic commit doesn't ever need to reach GitHub, but only if you install a pre-commit hook. So I used pre-commit, and this file needs to be in the root of your Git repository too, and the only thing you need is to reference GitLeaks, and to activate it, just pre-commit install. For now, hard-coded secrets pass, but next time I want to commit file and I edit the Stripe API key and try to commit it to GitHub. It will not allow me. But this is only prevention. What fixes your situation once you have it in the GitHub commit history? You have a problem. There are different approaches to removing a file from Git history, but I prefer to use Git filter-repo, and for that it's best that you clone another repository. You'll see soon enough why. And you have to be careful because this action will rewrite history and all of your collaborators will need to reset to new history, so it's not ideal. Whatever you do is not ideal. And now you can filter repo for environment variable, and you can invert paths. And you rewritten history. And if I go to this repository, .m file is no longer there, and I cannot find it in any of the commits. I think I created it in the second one. Yes, it was removed. And now the only problem with this approach, you need to reset to new origin. And now I can also check my local repository if the file was removed. This is the command, and it found nothing. If it happens to find anything, maybe you need to do git garbage collect and try again. But is it really removed from GitHub? It's not. So you saw I successfully removed the problematic file from my commits, and yet I can still reach it in GitHub, and it is nowhere in my commits. So you can see it is 702, there is no 702, and the reason being, any force push creates loose commits. For it to be removed, it needs to be garbage collected, and GitHub does not do that, and there is no API to do it. Your best solution is, once you got that report that something is compromised, rotate that secret. I suggest that you also read this article for removing sensitive data from a GitHub repository. They do provide a process for removing sensitive data from GitHub. You can always contact them through GitHub support portal, and you need to be very specific. So you need to know commit SHAs and pull requests, and I don't know, I haven't tried it, but that's also a solution, and I don't know how much you'll need to wait. But there's that. Thanks for watching.